Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank Mr. Honorable George Wiganathan for his question. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to answer his question in a succinct way. One of the important roles of Valuation Division in my ministry is to collate property sales data. The Valuation Division is the custodian of property transactions data, which is collated on a daily basis from the Stamp Duties Office of Fiji Revenue and Customs Services. Mr. Speaker, sir, within the Valuation Division, we have a statistics section that is responsible for the collection of property sales information and its appropriate data, updating of records, compilation of property sales data, and the preparation of monthly sales information report. Mr. Speaker, sir, information collected includes vendor and purchaser details, title reference, zone, area, sale price, transaction date, and is captured in the valuation system. The division collects property sales information on all land tenure types, that is freehold land, state land, and native pay land. This information is generated into a property sales information report on a monthly basis that are made available and accessible to the public and stakeholders at a nominal fee of $50, that's the VAT exclusive price. Valuers are able to do their sales comparison approach in determining the current market value through comparison of recent property sales of similar properties in the area. And this is the type of folio that we create after the information is collected, and my staff attend the Revenue and Customs Office at 8 o'clock every morning, and things like the valuation number, the street address, vendor details, purchaser details, title reference, zone, area, and sale price, even sale date are recorded in such folios. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.